Solidarity.
We estimate that there are about 50,000 Jamaicans who are not on the PATH program, they are not employed, they are not in school, they are not on the social pension, they might be sick and indigent, and who are looking for something as well from the government. They want to feel like the society creates something for them to benefit. And so we introduce a program called the Solidarity Program.
This is for every Jamaican. And therefore we have named the program quite aptly Solidarity. This government stands in solidarity with every Jamaican.
Why I used to love that song? Powerful song. Because it conveys exactly what your government wants to convey to its people. That we agree that everybody should be included in any benefit that a government is giving. Every Jamaican must feel that they will not be left out, no matter what. No matter how little it is, we're going to share it up so everybody gets something. And that is the Solidarity Program. It means agreement. That you and I stand in agreement of a common cause that everybody must be included. And all of you here who are supporters of the party, you can stand with pride to know that you support a government that does not exclude anyone. We don't exclude anyone. So we launched the Solidarity Program. And there might be those who might say, well, it's just $20,000. It's a one-off. No. The Solidarity Program is designed to bring in those people who have a skeptical mind about the system. Because sometimes it isn't that a system doesn't provide. It is that people just don't know. Because right now, we have something called the social pension, where if you're over 75 and you're not under the NIS, you can get every month a check from the government. That never used to happen before. That is as a result of the Jamaica Labour Party government. And believe me, there are some people who say, oh, it's small. But when it later comes, those same persons, yes, ask for it, make up nice for it, because it's the gap. And over time, we're going to improve it as our economy does better. But there are still persons who would qualify for it, but don't know how. So we are asking the MPs and the civic groups and others who we are tasking with the responsibility to find those persons in the society, sign them up for this $20,000, but at the same time, sign them up for the social pension. There are still about 20,000 youngsters who we desperately need in the labor force, but they choose not to be in the labor force. You talk to them, they can't find a job, nobody don't want to hire them, or they were working on something that they leave the job, or it don't make sense because the bus fare too high, all kind of reasons. But where we are now, we need them in the labor force. So we are giving them this incentive to encourage them to come into the labor force, and then we work with them to find employment. So this is what the Solidarity Program is. A very innovative program. But this, my friends, is just phase one of the Solidarity Program. In the 1980s, Mr. Siaga had a similar program. Some of you may remember it, where he assisted persons to start their small business, give them training. So we are going to expand this program, but this is just the first phase to make sure that every Jamaican can feel part of the prosperity. The first thing we need to do is to know about you. We need to know you. And therefore, we are providing an incentive for you to come in and register for the various programs. When we have a full database of all the people who need the help, then we are better able to craft programs continuously to help the specific needs. And that is, my friends, the Solidarity Program. You must know that your government stands in solidarity with you. We don't want you to stand out here on the edge, on the fringe, and say, nothing now go on for me. Government not care about me. Only big man government care for. We don't want that. So we are reaching out to you to say, come into the prosperity train. Be a part of the progress of the society. No Jamaican must be left behind. We love you. We care about you. Solidarity.
Solidarity.